This program is brought to you by Emory University.
On a very simple level, if you look carefully, we have this environment, the world where we live, and we have the human beings or the sentient beings living within this environment, within this world. When dealing with this external environment, science has done much, although it's quite young. I'm talking on the positive side. But as far as the question of the peace, well-being, and happiness of the human being is concerned, Buddhism, spirituality can contribute much, probably better than science in one sense, the spirituality I'm talking. Even when you talk about this human being itself, when it comes to dealing with the health, the physical well-being, again the external related things, science can do much. But when it comes to dealing with the human mind, the human emotion, which is really the leader, I call it my boss. Our boss is not your husband or your wife or anybody, although you think they are your boss, or even your president you think your boss, but your boss is really your mind. No one can help you unless you help yourself. That's why all of us, after meeting and then at the time of separation, we all say, bye, take care. Nobody is saying, bye, I will take care of you. That taking care of the mind can be done only by oneself through cultivating right mental perspective, right mental outlook. So therefore it is extremely important to develop that holistic outlook, learning from the findings of science, learning from the meditative experiences of spirituality, including Buddhism, if we really want to have a holistic world, holistic growth, and complete happiness. That is a must. It is with this kind of realization that His Holiness is making so much effort in having this dialogue, exchange, and mutual learning between science and Buddhism.
The preceding program is copyrighted by Emory University.